Good morning and happy Sunday. And today I'm going to make my breakfast smoothie. And I'm not going to make it with a lot of vegetables. It's going to be a fruit smoothie. Today I am making a fruit smoothie. Took me a minute to get that out. And I'm going to show you how to put it together. I hope you guys had a good weekend, and I hope you're doing well. So let me show you how to put my smoothie together. Okay, there's my fruit. I have raspberries and blueberries in that bag, and bananas, and my pineapple, and I'm going to put a container of yogurt. I'm going to be using oat milk. I'm going to put a dash of flaxseed as well as chia seed. So that'll give it a little extra oomph. And I'm telling you, the only way that I will do smoothies on a daily basis if everything is already cut up. Because if I have to cut this stuff up every day, I wouldn't do it. And this is perfect. I put all my bananas in here individually so I can just grab them out. They're frozen and they should be really, really good. And this bag has my berries in it. I have a bag inside a bag because these berries have a tendency to stain everything, and I might need this bag for another project that I'm doing tomorrow, so I didn't want it to be tasting like what I'm going to put in here. I don't want it to taste like berries, so that's why I have a bag inside a bag. And I'm going to put a quarter cup, actually 1/3 cup of berries in here. Should be maybe a little bit more. I had to mute the sound right here because somebody that lives in the house with me decided to play with her squeaker toy, and she knows better. She's just trying to aggravate me this morning. She is such a hater. I'm selling her real cheap today, $1.35 or to the highest bidder. And from here I'm going to put in 1/3 of a cup of my pineapple. I didn't can these because I'm going to be munching on these all week long, so I'm just going to keep them in the refrigerator, and they are really, really good. These pineapples were so sweet. I bought 2 of them and they were so sweet. So I'm going to add a little bit over 1/3 of a cup here, and I'm going to add my yogurt. I love Activa yogurt. Do you? And what is your favorite? And here I'm adding a 1/2 tablespoon of my ground flax seeds and a 1/2 tablespoon of the chia seeds. Both are a great source of fiber. I'm going to add a splash of my lime juice, and that'll cut some of the sweetness. And I'm going to add my oat milk. It is so hard to find that fill line. They should have made it bigger and in a great big bright red colors. And I'm also going to add a little splash of water. Looks good, doesn't it? I think this is my favorite smoothie. Out of all the smoothies that I make, this is my favorite one. Give it a quick taste. Super good. And I'm going to add it in a different jar because I have a lid to this one. I'm going to take it out in the patio and have my smoothie out on my patio. And here's a little bit for the little terrorist that lives in my house with me. I shouldn't give her any because she has been such a little brat this morning. And she knows that when I'm recording she has to be quiet. But no, not this morning. Little brat. Okay, breakfast is ready. Okay, Sophie tasted the smoothie and she's like, no, Mom, I'm good. She is such a diva. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Uh-oh, wait a minute, here we go. She might. Try it. You'll like it. It's good, I promise. It's the same as what I have. Here we go. I think it's cold. Okay, alright. You eat it when you want to. I'm going out in the patio. Cheers. That is so good. Happy Sunday. Happy football Sunday. See you later. I'm having tacos today. What you having?